मेरा नमस्ते दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल चेरी ऑन द टॉप वेयर आई शेयर माय क्रिएटिविटी. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड.
So here I have a circle shaped wood piece. This is basically an embroidery hoop. So I would show you the images for the reference purpose. So this is how the embroidery hoops looks like. So when you remove the screw, you would get these two pieces of circle. So I would require the inner circle and not the outer one because the outer one has a screw attached to it. So now I am taking these two small wood sticks, though these are small but would hold the weight of an entire piece. So for that I am keeping it here near circle so that I can make a mark on perfect place to make a hole on this circle. So here I am done. I am just making it a little bit dark to make it more visible. Here I have a cardboard box and I am going to cut it from these sides. So I have taken a small knife and I am cutting it. So now I want to secure sides of this box. So I am taking a cello tape and I am sticking it on these sides. So here it's done and I have properly secured it with cello tape. Now I'm taking this clean wrap. It is basically a food wrap. So here I have taken a food wrap and I have just covered this box with a food wrap and I'm cutting the excess one. So here I have taken a Birla white cement. I have taken it out in a container and I am pouring some water into it. A small amount of water, then I am mixing it. Then again I am pouring some water and I am mixing it. I have done it quite a while time till the time I get this kind of consistency. Then I again poured it in this box and this is how it looks, but it is little bit stretched. The box is little bit stretched because of the weight of cement, but I'll do something with that. Now I am putting this wood sticks inside the cement. Ensure to do it on the right place. It is little bit funny guys, but I didn't find anything, so I kept this spices jar and it worked really well and formed a shape which I wanted. Actually I allowed it to get dry for 12 hours and it is completely dry now. Now I am cutting this cardboard and I am taking out this cement base. So as you guys can see, this needs little bit shape, so I am taking a knife and I'm just cutting it the excessive. So here I started making holes in this ring with the help of this drilling machine and I made few holes. So here is it. So I have made these two holes, then again this third one, fourth one, and this is fifth one. So I made these holes. I'll tell you why. Firstly, I'll just tell you that these two holes are very important, so I have just marked it here. So I won't attach anything here right now. So these two holes would be kept just as it is. So here I have collected this wood sticks from my garden and I just wanted to keep this piece natural. So I went ahead and I collected these. So now I am attaching this in these holes which we made. So I have used these 3 holes and not these main 2 which we marked. So I am sticking it with some hot glue and I just wanted to form this kind of shape. If you want, you guys can go ahead and form a shape of tree or any other shape you wanted inside this ring. So here it is perfectly sticked. You just have to ensure that holes which you are going to make inside this ring needs to be perfect. It should neither be small nor too big. So here I am taking this spray paint which is in golden color. It is 404 pearl gold color. So I'm spray painting this. So now it's time to attach this. This is really lightweight. So here I have taken this metal candle holder. I have kept a candle inside and the outer part is a metal one, and I am applying some hot glue on it and I will stick it to this ring. And here we are done with our piece, and here is the look of it. So I kept these wooden sticks more natural and painted it less. But of course you guys can go ahead and paint it completely, but I like it in this way, so I just kept it as it is. So guys, the result is really satisfying for me, and I really like this pretty table accent, and it is just beautiful. So do try this at home. Here I'm signing off for today. Thank you for joining. I'll come back soon with another video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day.